Hello, and welcome to the first video in our digital pedagogies discussions. I am Dr. Laura Pilgrim, and I will be your host as we explore the wonderful world of online education. Today, we will be discussing UWI's massive open online course project. But before we get started, let's reflect on why we are taking this journey into MOOCs. The University of the West Indies has been delivering courses using online modalities for many years in order to reach students in all of the territories it serves. As part of its global strategy, the UWI is now expanding its use of online education to include massive open online courses. The acronym MOOC stands for Massive, Large Number of Students, this can be over 100,000, Open. Generally, MOOCs are free to access, but obtaining a credential will require participants to pay. Online, all content is available through the internet. And course, the materials such as articles, videos, discussions, and interactive activities are arranged to help participants learn and are often offered by well-known universities or companies. UWI has selected FutureLearn, a UK-based company with some 15 million learners, to be its MOOC partner. And so far, we've created several courses, including Introduction to Medical Cannabis, Seed to Sale, Key Principles of Palliative Care, The True Story of Jamaican Jerk, West Indies Cricket, Our Story. So why MOOCs, you ask? Many universities and companies around the world are using MOOCs because they offer numerous benefits, such as MOOCs provide a platform for you to showcase your teaching and research to a global audience. MOOCs can increase access to higher education. Creating a MOOC enables you to learn new skills in online course design. And finally, MOOCs offer departments the opportunity to earn revenue. So now we are inviting you to get involved and to create a MOOC. And getting started is as easy as 1, 2, 3. So 1, visit our website to see the process. 2, complete the proposal form. And 3, email your form to us and we will meet with you. As you complete the proposal, here are some things to carefully consider. The topic of your MOOC. What subjects will engage the largest possible global audience? Your target audience. Who will take the MOOC? What are their needs and how will your course meet their needs? What knowledge and skills will participants take away from your course? And finally, why would participants pay to take your course? What knowledge and skills will they value enough that they will pay for? We are looking forward to discussing your MOOC, so contact us today. Until next time, see you online.